wonder what happened to Dr. Love. You don't know 7 times anything I go on as far as mix up. Dr. Love did it, and Dr. Love always have a say. You don't know that, no. If a mix up controversy, passa, Dr. Love always in it. Right? And even one day somebody link me and say, Unstoppable, want to Dr. Love. We not hear nothing from him again. Dr. Love is normally the man we attack up people business, you know. But me I say, me no know. A long time me not see or hear from him. But now we find out a war go on. Yes, people. Everyone we face hard times sometimes, you know. Yeah, we go through it sometimes. And Dr. Love did hit rock bottom at one point. And the man even did have to go in and pitney. Piggy bank. Boy, may I tell you no people. But the good thing about it is Dr. Love bounce back. I'm glad to hear that the man bounce back and I make a difference. Dr. Love put on the mix up and the drama and the controversy because that never did a work for him. And Dr. Love turn over a new page and a focus on something totally different. What Dr. Love do right now, Dr. Love a drop a brand new rhythm and Dr. Love a link up with some big names in the music business for change everything about the name when you hear Dr. Love. You're not going to think mix up no more, you're going to think, yo, musical artist. Because Dr. Love himself have a big song where him drop right now to where I run road. And people, me are going to make you hear it, you know, because me have this song for Dr. Love, me have this song for Pinchers, me have this song for Tony Rebel, me have Mark, yo, the man have all kind of well-known, established names on this rhythm where I drop right now. But me gonna make Dr. Love himself explain a little bit of what did I go on with him, and then me gonna come back and make you hear the song them where Dr. Love a drop.
What people don't know is your boy Dr. Love, the king of mix up, the viral king, the only viral king. You know, so I'm retired right now, but people, I am doing different things, positive things right now. You know, so I'm an artist / producer. I'm producing my first project, and my first rhythm is called Hard Time. Right, produced by Dr. Love, and the first song is on the rhythm is Dr. Love and Ginger. You got Ed Robinson, Tony Rebel, Pinchers, Davel, Anthony B. I think I mentioned Tony Rebel. I have Everton Blender. I have Mark Batson. I have upcoming artists on it as a Mystic and Conflict. I have Ave Dallas. I have Esco Levi. I have Mark Batson. I have I'm going as far as to Kenya. Right, I cannot announce the name as yet, but I'll be voicing one of Kenya's biggest female artists. Also be voicing one of the Caribbean biggest female artists. And not only that too, I am also voicing another reggae artist that is international, which I'm waiting to get the vocal. Right, people, you know, support me through all of my passa and all of that. Me entertaining for years now and doing different things. I hope you guys gonna support me. This is my first rhythm, and then I'll be releasing a second rhythm after that. I have to big up all the artists on this beat that giving me a strength on it and so forth. People, none of these artists have asked me for any money at all to voice and so forth. Right, that is when you know, so you're blessed and know, so God is with you. And, you know, there's love out there for you in the music industry. You know what I mean? So it's gonna release late September to the beginning of October. Right, and I'm so excited about it, proud of myself. You know what I mean? I'm coming from far, and people look out for the storyline behind the whole producing business, why I started, and the reason why, as I can't give you a hint. There was times where I was so broke that I go in my son piggy bank and take out $20 out of it, and I decided that, yo, I would never find myself in a situation like that again. So we all go through something in life, but people want to support it, and please to leave your negative comment, because your negative comment is a part of promotion. I need a negative comment and I need a positive comment and so forth, right? So big up everyone, big up all the bloggers, big up everyone that have been supporting me, big up to all the artists, them, thank you so much for working with me and so forth, you know, encouraging me. Big up to Tony Rebel, big up to Davel. People, enough people say things about Tony Rebel. Me tell you something, when I forget to know that brother there, when I forget to know Davel, when I forget to know these artists before you can talk about an artist, right? And I reach as far as people, which me never want to tell them, I tell them, after voicing, right, waiting for a vocal from one of the Marley's people. Me not talk about one of Marley's cousin, me I talk about when I'm blood pitting people. So, you know, big up to everyone. And big up to my woman who support me. Big up to my sister Simone. You know what I mean? The three of us is gonna make this be a massive thing. It's gonna work out and so forth. And people, big up on yourself. And just keep following, keep your ears out, keep your eyes out there, see what's going on and so forth. Me know I'm beat up and things like that, but I don't know what going on. I get all and, you know, things and great the success still, you know. See, and remember, me still in my car do my video, and I'm a producer now / artist and so forth. I'm heading for the Grammy people. I'm a CM carrier, so, and my car is on it, and my car have a hit song on it because I in my car, I play a live music them and so forth when I'm not at home. So my car, when I was at about this boy, I was in that car. My car is also on the record. You see me, I say, big up on yourself, Dr. Love to the world, King of Pass Up. I retire, but don't feel like say. I can't come back out of retirement, you know. I don't want to get too comfortable, you know. And I don't try me big up on yourself.
I'm glad to hear that, Dr. Love. Big up to all of the artists them name where you call a while ago. Where they on the thing. I hear what the man say, people. None of them artists are not charging man dollar. That is what you call brotherly love, you know. You understand? But people, yo, me, take it from me when I tell you say the song them pan the rhythm bad so far. So you can look forward to the actual full release of this single and the rhythm, right? And every name where they pan it, drop a crazy solid song. See it here, take a listen and then comment in the comment section and make me know what you think about these songs, alright? One after the other, me I go play them for you so you can hear what the artists them sound like, right? I'm want to know honest opinion in the comment section, you know.
Wake up, it's a new day. The word is survival. Cannot be all about party and drinking alcohol. Wake up, it's a new day. Accept the new normal. One day at a time, mitigating protocol.
Oh, I got them drunk. Politicians, you need to get yourselves in order. No more promises. Poor people under pressure. Stop going like saying a seat. Oh, I got you drunk. Politicians, you need to get yourselves in order. We can't take the promises. We can't take the promises.
She said I'm not real. I don't need no test glasses. Visit them dirty art. Some faker than a counterfeit. We can sell their own for ice cream or a bubble gum. Salute to all my friends them who see me through the roughest of times and never let me down. So when you see me keep away from some people and I hike me high, but that's my spirit I tell me if you run. Well,
Mama say, don't put your want where you can reach it. Mama say, never let your friend know your secret. When we put it on light bolt up and make junk to sleep on your stop. Phone not have teeth, but you can never know that. Cause him no laugh and talk around.
And we'll make it. Children hold firm, don't turn aside. Don't give up, we'll make it. Heavenly Father is our guide. Just and we'll make it. Through this rough and testing times, just and we'll make it. Here and I tell you now,
I a rebel. A rebel like Bob Marley.
yeah,
Real soldier in a ja army.
yeah.
You got to be a rebel. Rebel. A rebel for the people that can tall at man a fight against evil.
Yeah.
Hear my voice, oh Yahweh, in my prayer. Preserve my life from the fear of the enemy. Because they come in different forms, trying to hurt you. If they are not with you, then they must be against you.
Shoo-be-da-da, oh what a price to pay. Oh Lord, shoo-be-da-da, can't find a job today. Whoa, shoo-be-da-da, oh what a price to pay. Oh Lord, shoo-be-da-da, the kids them desperate.
Every night I think of you in my bed.
If I can smoke a grade, I'm not coming to your party. Yes, I feel have a spliff in a dead and space smoke and feel irie.
Hey, watch ya. Them song they speak for themselves. And me not have to say a word about them because every one of them speak for themselves. Powerful song them. bad song them, great song them. The rhythm itself is a crazy rhythm too. People, comment in the comment section, big up Dr. Love and tell him say you like the change we're making in his life. Seeing also more you comment and tell me which one of them song you feel more to. You feel Dr. Love, Tony Rebel, Anthony B. Which one of them? Everton Blender, Esco Levi. Which one you feel? Talk to me down in the comment section. Make me hear what you think. Alright? Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. But if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.